Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this video we are going to be learning how to change the text size in Roblox application. First of all, launch the Roblox app open on your smartphone and make sure that you're logged in to your Roblox account. Once you're inside the home page of Roblox, tap on the three dots at the bottom right where it says More. In the More menu, scroll down and tap on Settings. Under the Settings option, click on Device Preferences. Now, scroll down and look for text size and drag the little slider to increase or decrease the text size on your Roblox app. The preview will be updated instantly. You can pick the size that fits best for you, and then once done, you can get back to the home page. In some devices, you might need to restart Roblox app for the text size change to fully apply. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to change the text size in Roblox application. Now your game should feel much more comfortable to play. Whether you prefer large text for easy reading or smaller text to fit more info on the screen, that's how you do it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.